Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Ford Focus 2017 model, but however, if your car Ford, it has a similar steering like this, then you can apply to this method many Fords. Basically what happened, tire pressure monitor light on, it could be low pressure of the tire, it could be faulty TPMS sensor inside the tire, but I'm assuming this scenario it could be low pressure of the tire. Then I'll check the all 4 tires, then I notice passenger rear tire very low, that's why it could be this light illuminate. But if you doesn't know what's the pressure of the tires, you can come into the door seal, you can see this is the tire pressure, you can read that one and you can pump up the tires. Once you pump up the tires, I'm going to close the door. You can leave it running the car or you can ignition and do this method. What I'm going to do, first I'm going to press right arrow key. I'm going to press right arrow key. You can see this one. Then after that you need to scroll down. This one, pressing down. Settings. Once you see the settings, you have to press OK button. Right, it's coming to this menu. Then after that, drive assist and press OK. Tire monitor, scroll down with this down arrow key, press OK. Then hold OK to store tire pressure. I'll check the old tires. Now I'm going to press and hold OK button. Press and hold. Yeah, you can see the countdown going. Yeah, it's coming back to normal. Right, okay. Now switch off the car and start the car. Have a look here. Tire pressure light disappeared. You know what to do now. Thank you.